Hello everyone, welcome to Span Technologies. So in this video, we are going to learn about the Form 16 generation process and how to apply the digital signature on Form 16. So these all are the topic which will be covered in this video. So very first is the Form 16 generation process in Spine Payroll NX, how to apply the digital signature on Form 16, how to email Form 16 to an employees, and how employees can download Form 16 by using their ESS portal. So let's start with the application. So this is the login screen of Spine Payroll NX, where I can log in with the respective username and password. So very first, we'll see how to generate the Form 16 into Spine Payroll NX. So for generation of Form 16, I'm going to the income tax, Form 16, and very first we have to enter the financial year, that for which year we are going to generate a Form 16. So I'm entered 2019-20. We have to select signature. Then we can use any of the cost center over here for filtration option. So by generate button, system will do generate Form 16 for all of the employees into the Spine Payroll NX or for a selected master. So now Form 16 is generated successfully. If I want to check, then we have to click on a view button. So yes, Form 16 is generated successfully for all of the employees. Now we have to export this Form 16 into the PDF. So for exporting this Form 16 into the PDF, we have to select all of the employees over here and we have to click on a action button. So by click on a generate PDF, system will do generate PDF for all of the employees. So we can download this PDF from here only. But if you want to do generate PDF for all of the employees, then we can use this option also. That is download all in one Form 16 in a zip format. So I have to click on download all in one zip. System will do process. So now Form 16 is downloaded for all of the employees into the zip folder, and also system will allow us to download single Form 16 from here only. So if you want to download Form 16 for any of the single employees, then by click on this link, we can easily download it from here. And if we have to check Form 16 PDF for all of the employees, then we can check the zip file. So I copy this zip file from one location and I have to keep this Form 16 folder over here. So I paste the zip file in this folder and I'm going to extract this folder over here. So now Form 16 is going to export it into the PDF for all of the employees. So if I want to check any of the Form 16 for selected employees, then we can going to check. So this is the Form 16 part B, which is generated from Spine Payroll NX. And if you want to download Form 16 part A, then we have to download it from NSDL website. So now we are going to apply the digital signature on this Form 16, which is generated from Spine Payroll NX. So now for apply the digital signature, we have to use Spine Sign Pro utility. So very first, we have to run this utility over here for applying the digital signature on my Form 16. But we have to ensure that my digital signature dongle must be attached with my computer before using this utility. So now this utility is ready for use. So very first, for applying the digital signature, I have to select the source path folder, which means where my Form 16 are kept. So my Form 16 is on desktop. So I have to select respective path of Form 16 over here, and I said okay. The system will automatically generate destination folder path over here, which means the currently destination folder path is Form 16 PDF under signed file. So once my Form 16 is successfully digital signed, it should be moved into the signed file folder. Then next one is the signature option. So over here we have to select the signing reason. Then next we have to select the signature position over here, which means on which page and which position we have to going to apply the digital signature. So currently, normally in Form 16, we have to apply digital signature on the last page of Form 16, and the position is the bottom right corner. We can also use this advanced option. So by entering the respective pixel of pages, we can able to print the digital signature. After selection this mandatory criteria, we have to click on apply digital signature over here. So once I have clicked on apply digital signature, system will open this window where I can able to see my attached dongle over here. So I can select this signature and I said apply signature. The file was signed successfully. So my all the PDF of Form 16 has been digital signed successfully. So if I want to check, I'm going to the same folder again, Form 16 PDF. Now my all files has been moved from here to signed file folder. So if I want to check any of the PDF, I'm going to open and I have to check on the last page. Yes, system will apply the digital signature over here. So this is how we can apply the digital signature on any of the document by using this Find Sign Pro utility. So next is how to email this Form 16 to an employee. So if I want to send an email to all of the employees the digital signature Form 16, what I have to do, I have to zip these all the files over here. So I have to click on add to archive. I have select zip and my name field is a signed file only. So I said okay. So now my zip has been created and I have to upload this zip into the Spine Payroll Annex. So for uploading of this zip, we have to go to the action and we can select this option over here, that is a upload Form 16 digital file. So I have to click on upload Form 16 and I will select my zip file over here. And I said upload. So now my file has been uploaded. So I'm going to ready for email trigger for all of the employees Form 16. Same way, I can also able to upload Form 16 Part A also if I want to send Form 16 Part A along with my Part B. So now for send an email to an employee, we have to click on a send email option over here for the digital signature. So I have to click over here and I select all of the employees over here. And if I want to check or if I want to send my Form 16 Part A also along with my Part B, then I have to select or deselect it from here. And by click on a send button, system will do send the attachment of Form 16 Part A and Part B to a respective email ID of an employee. So this is how we can email this Form 16 to our employees. Now going forward, next is the how employees can download the Form 16 through the ESS portal. So once my Form 16 has been generated over here, employees can also log in into their HRMS system. So currently I'm going to do login into the HRMS system over here. So for downloading the Form 16 as an employee, I can go to the self-service. Under the self-service taxation menu, we have an option of download tax projection. So under the download tax projection option, employees can download the Form 16 Part A and Part B from here only. So this is the process of how employees can download the Form 16 through their ESS portal. So this is all about the Form 16 generation and digital signature process. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.